So, do you ever have like 1,000,001 things to do, and then you wake up and God has completely different plans? Well, that's what happened to us this morning.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Now, when I heard this tree fall down last night, there's two of them. They were right beside each other. But when I heard these trees fall down last night, I was very worried that they got in the road. So, see, here's my driveway here. It's not that bad. I really thought there was going to be a bunch of tree to cut. This is not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but still, I mean, this is still going to be a pretty big job, guys. I mean, but it's not in the road. I mean, it could have, it could have very well been a real big job. But, I mean, look at this job already. I mean, yeah, this tree smells so good. So, there's the one that broke. It broke off really tall up there. The other one is, I don't think you can see it from here. Let me get around another angle. Here's the other one. Whoo-wee, guys.
Man, it's too hot to be living on a long-haired dog.
Well, a short-haired dog will come for you to love.
Right? Man, these two were scared last night.
Yeah, especially that big one.
Yeah.
He gets anxiety with all that popping noise.
Yeah. It's not a good scene.
He's okay with the wind. Just when it starts making loud noises.
Yeah. Well, it sounded like gunshots. And the trees were snapping.
Alright, so how did you like getting up this morning and cutting a tree down for breakfast? Or cutting a tree off the driveway for breakfast?
I'm just glad it was this morning and not tomorrow morning. Because I have to go to work and would have been late.
Yeah.
So, you know.
That's what I was thinking, man. If you had to go to work today, that would have been bad.
I don't know. If I had to get dressed up and fire up the chainsaw, I'm not going to feel like going to work after that. Just going to want to keep on doing like chainsaw work, not computer work.
Don't want to go sit behind a desk?
Nope. You do. You do. Oh. My dogs.
Alright, guys. Well, that's my big tree. That's my big adventure from last night's storm. it's funny when you make yourself a list and you have so many things that you have to do and you stress yourself out. Man, I've been stressed out bad about all the things that I have to do. It's almost like God just came in last night and blew this storm into my life and was like, slow your roll, girl. You're gonna get it taken care of. Anyways, that's my big... Did you already get it? Anyways, that's my big tree windstorm adventure. Thanks for watching. See you next time.